Okay, I cleared the face. I've got a nice center line. It's fairly thin. Now this is a big piece. This would actually be more like a spearhead. So now I'm going to show you how to notch. And the key about notching is to make sure that this end is really thin. You notice that I've made some driving flakes down this way on each side. I want to thin this out from the base so that when we come in from the side, we don't have a lot of material to get through. So I'm just going to start by picking a spot, like right here, and drive one little flake. So I'm just doing typical side notch. Let me zoom in. Alright, typical side notch. Just put your pressure flaker right there, and you're really driving down more than in. Okay, I know that doesn't seem like much, but that's all you need to get started. Now, flip it over, and now you're going to put your pressure flaker, which is really sharp, put your pressure flaker in that C shape and push in and down. Okay, now you see it starting. What you don't want to do is touch either side. So you can either make your notch wider or you can use a thinner pressure flaker. For example, I've got this one, which is a horseshoe nail, and now you see I can get in there and not touch the sides. I'll zoom in even closer. Okay, so I turn it on its side, turn the pressure flaker on its side, and you don't want to hit this side, you don't want to hit this side. Just want to stay right in the center. Okay, I actually hit this side just a little bit, but now what you want to do is clean this out so that instead of it being V-shaped, it's more U-shaped. Just little tiny, almost abrasive motions. Now you flip it over. Okay, you see how we have, this is a good demonstration, see how we have a C-shaped flake pattern? That's what you want. So we put the pressure flaker right in here and drive just at the bottom of the C as deep as you want. Just keep flipping it back and forth. And when I flip it over, you see that beautiful C shape? I don't notch very deep because when this is hafted, you see if it was the width of my finger, the wooden shaft, then the notch already pretty much comes up to it. So I'm going to finish the notching, get back to you in just a minute. Okay, there we are with the two notches, and you could leave this as is, but I think I'm going to go along the edges, especially right here. See how it flares out a little? I'm going to go along the edges with my fine pressure flaker and just give this a final trim, make it razor sharp, make the tip sharp too. Alright, here is the finished tequila bottle arrowhead. Not too bad. The fun part's drinking the tequila.